Hey guys, it's Kron, and we're doing I'm doing another collaboration with Davian.
Keeper,
and
Sniper Savage.
Yep. And him and his cousin found a pigeon that won't fly.
Well, it can't fly.
Well, it can't. And we just got a little action of him moving his beak and everything and him walking. But that's basically all we've got. I mean, we tried lifting him in the air and to let him fly, and he just won't, so it's going to be a little weird video. I don't know if we're going to keep him, and if you guys have any tips on anything or something. But, yeah. And then my cat is stalking him because he wants him. I'm editing him. There he is. Like, he looks really healthy and everything. He's gotten a little comfortable with me and Davian. So, we've just been kind of around him. So, there he is. Davian's just doing something else over there. But yeah. Oh yeah. Busted my knuckles. So, that's cool. I need something to like hold this. It'll be like that. Boy. See, he's being... Ah, frick. Dude, put it right here. Gosh dang it.
Put it right here.
Okay.
Just the Gucci bird feeder gut. No, it's not Gucci mine.
Yeah, that's the other one.
That's a dang.
It's not working.
You're facing this way. You're just staring at the wall. Nothing's on there, birdie. Boom.
There he
Boom.
is. See, we have a little bit of action.
Oh my God, above
He's
the
being
wall.
really, really nice and comfortable with us. But I think he just likes white.
He just likes the color white.
You guys even face him? No, really not. There you go.
Yeah, well, then
There's
you must
our
like
beautiful
white bread.
pet pigeon that we need to decide on a gender.
I mean, I got scared from Leo. Yeah, it's a girl.
So we've decided on thinking it's a girl.
Because when I got
And
scared,
we
I pooped on my
might-
cousin 3 times.
Yeah. We might create a cage out of wiring over there. Oof, never mind, I have a good idea. We have an old chicken cage, but all of the wiring is busted out. But I think we can use, we have extra wiring, so I think we can put it around that. But if you guys have any tips on helping us keep this bird and keeping it safe and everything.
Captivity.
Yeah, in captivity.
My dad has some stuff.
No, because so, we'll update you on our bird, basically. But we need to decide on a name. So, comment down below for
Shelly.
girl names. And we'll decide on the best one. So, alright, see you guys.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.